Vyond versus Toonly. In today's video, I'm going to compare these two animation video creators so that you can find out which one is going to be the best for you. So what I'm going to do is show you the different options that you'll get within each software. I'm then also going to show you previews like this so that you can get a good understanding of which is going to be the best for you. And then finally, I'm going to compare pricing so that you can find out which one will fit for your budget. So if you're interested in that, keep watching and we'll just get started. Now, before I show you step by step all of the stuff that I just mentioned, I do want to say that I'm not getting paid to say this. I won't leave any affiliate links, so this is going to be a 100% honest review video. Instead of most videos on YouTube, there won't be any promotions going on. So let's get into that. So Vyond is a video software that's going to help you make your own animated videos. Now what I wanted to show you guys on Vyond is that they've got different options. So they've got whiteboard animations, they've got normal animations, including contemporary ones and business friendly. Now these are recommended for scenario-based training, company culture videos, announcements, and explainer videos. So if you want to create explainer videos, this could be a great software for you. But those are the main options on here. So you've got whiteboard animations, which will look like this, and then normal animations, which will look like this. And this is going to be pretty cool. Now in a bit, I'll show you step by step how you can actually do that by simply opening this in a brand new window in my free trial. So on Vyond, you can get a free trial, which is amazing. So in a bit, I'll show you how you can use this and what it will look like. Now, if we simply head over to Toonly, I also want to show you what you can do with this software. Now, similar to Vyond, you can use this to make animated videos. On the website, they've got a few videos that we can watch to find out what is possible with the software. Let's do that right now. So this is one of the options. You can see that it looks pretty good, looks pretty cool. They've got cool transitions, they've got amazing characters, amazing like transitions. All of this stuff is looking pretty good, pretty neat. You can see that the quality is good, and I just like the overall style of videos like this. They're very engaging, which makes sure that people keep watching. So if you want to use this for your YouTube videos, this could be a great option. Now, if I scroll down even further, you'll see that most of this is pretty similar to what I just showed you. It's just a different template, but it's still the normal animation style that we're used to. If I click here, once again, another one. You can see with a white background, it already looks more kind of like the style with the whiteboard animations compared to Vyond. However, Vyond literally has a a feature that's focused solely on whiteboard animation. So that's a big difference. But I'll show you that in a bit. But that's pretty much what Toonly can do for you. So that's the main difference. Toonly mainly has animated stuff. Vyond also has that, but they also have whiteboard animations. So if I go into Vyond, I can show you what this actually looks like. So on Vyond, this is where you can create your videos. If you click on the add scene one, you can choose a template, and you can then choose any of these pre-made templates or like storytelling. You get the point. So if I just click on this, for example, finance, I get to see all of these clips that I can choose from to use this in my videos. For example, a ATM driving through. If I need that in my video, I click on it and it will be added, which is insane. That's really cool. Now let's say that I want to make sure that this clip is longer. I can simply slide this over to the right. So that makes creating a video really easy. So you can add scene by scene. Next up, if I need a ATM cash grab, I simply add this. Let's say I want a real short clip. I'll do that, and there we go. So if I now get rid of the first clip and preview this, you can get an understanding of what this will look like. Now you can also add a voiceover, which is perfect, because otherwise it's going to be kind of boring, right? But there you go. That's a cool clip that you can then make. Now you can see it was too short, so what I'll have to do is make sure to increase the length, and then we should be good. But that's how you can build and create a video in Vyond, which is really easy. So you can choose from all of the templates on here. We've got charge, catering, CS, education, concepts, and there are so many, like so many. So that's really cool. Office as well, which is a cool one. I'm not sure why I saw that. Let's see, there we go, office. You've got all of the clips on here. So you can see that on here they've got a lot of clips that you can choose from. which is just amazing. So I really like Vyond. Now, if we go to Toonly, if I simply scroll down, you will see all of the stuff that you can do for this. Once again, it's pretty much similar. So B2B sales, trainers and presenters, information technology, human resources, e-commerce, small business. So it really has the same features and is kind of built for the same thing as Vyond. So that is pretty similar. Now let's take a look at pricing. So for Vyond, for unlimited video production and downloads, you can choose to pay monthly or annually. Now, if you pay monthly, you can pay from $49 per month all the way up to $159. However, there's different stuff included. So if you scroll down, you'll see exactly what comes with that. Right there, 1080p, that only comes from the premium plan. So from $90 per month. Now, if you pay annually, you can pay $650 or $299 or even $999. So like I said, I don't know your guys' budget, so what I recommend doing is simply going to this website, scrolling down, and then seeing what kind of features you need for your specific project, and then also just taking a look at the pricing. And if you can pay annually, I highly recommend doing it. If you already know you're going to use it for a couple months or at least a year, definitely do that. If you're not sure, just go with monthly, because then you can cancel, which is really important. Otherwise, you just wasted like $600. You don't want to do that. Now, if we go to Toonly, there's a difference in the plans. So they also have monthly and then annually. And you can see that if you pay annually, of course, it's going to be way cheaper. So for monthly, the standard plan will cost you like $39. If you pay annually, only $20. So per year, this plan is going to be $240. This one is going to be $480. The main difference in the two is the amount of stuff you'll get. So on here you can get 30 characters, on here 82, 17, 30, 1,000, 2,000, you get the point. This is just going to give you more features. Now you won't get access to the Toonly Club and get new characters and props monthly. So with the premium plan, with the enterprise plan, you're going to get a new character and stuff, templates every single month, which is pretty cool. That's a good incentive to get people to buy this one. However, it's not really necessary in my opinion, because you can do a lot of cool stuff with the standard plan already. But yeah, that is pretty much the difference between the two. So Vyond also has the whiteboard animation style, which I'll show you right now. Toonly doesn't really have that. As far as I know, you can see none of this stuff is previewed on here, although they do have really good animations. So it kind of just really depends on what you're trying to go for, what you're looking for, and your budget. In terms of pricing, if you pay annually for Toonly, you're probably cheaper off. It's going to save you like $50 compared to buying the essential plan on here, but you kind of do need premium because you're going to need 1080p. So yeah, in terms of pricing, I would say Toonly wins. In terms of like the features, I would say it's a draw. It's pretty tight, pretty close to each other, but do keep in mind that on here they've also got whiteboard clips. So if you click on here, let me just preview this, you'll see what that could look like, so that if you're interested in that, you might know that you should go with Vyond. And there we go. So that's what the whiteboard stuff looks like. Pretty cool as well. But yeah, that is pretty much the comparison between Vyond and Toonly. So to sum this up, if you're on a tight budget, you want 1080p, go with Toonly because it's cheaper. If you want whiteboard animations too at a high quality, definitely go with Vyond. That's the main difference between the two. Apart from that, the whiteboard or like the normal animations are pretty similar. The editing is pretty similar. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully this video gave you the right information. If it did, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. That would help me out, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.